Panasonic.
Panasonic air conditioners feature innovative technologies that work together to give you better energy savings. EcoNavi and inverter adapt to your lifestyle and optimize operation to keep your living spaces cool. EcoNavi's human activity sensor and sunlight sensor automatically sense conditions in the environment. Then the sensors send data to inverter, which varies compressor rotation speed to maintain precise room temperature, thus minimizing wasteful cooling. Together, EcoNavi and inverter reduce energy waste so you can enjoy cool comfort in a sustainable way. For those concerned about air quality, Panasonic air conditioners feature Nano EG, an air purification system which releases ions that can trap airborne fine particles as small as PM2.5. PM2.5 stands for particulate matter, sized at 2.5 microns that are suspended in the air. If this represents pollen, and this is bacteria, Nano EG can trap particles as small as this. Nano EG is able to remove up to 99% of PM2.5, airborne microorganisms, and can deactivate up to 99% of adhesive microorganisms. With Nano EG's in-filter deactivation, 99% of bacteria and viruses trapped in the filter are also deactivated. Now, the whole family can enjoy cool air while living an eco life together. Made possible with Panasonic air conditioners.
Panasonic.